Kalimat sesudah Chris.
Darwin's the hottest city in Australia. It's the wettest city in Australia too.
Kita juga dapat berbicara tentang bagaimana cerahnya udara sesuatu kota. Artinya, berapa hari setahun kota itu mendapat sinar matahari.
Sydney's sunny, but Brisbane's sunnier than Sydney. But it isn't as sunny as Darwin. Darwin's the sunniest city in Australia.
Coba dengarkan lagi kata-kata yang dipakai tadi.
Sunny, sunnier, the sunniest. Sunnier than Brisbane, the sunniest city in Australia.
Coba ulangi sesudah Chris.
The sunniest city in Australia. Darwin's the sunniest city in Australia.
Oh, it's wet. It's raining.
It rains a lot in Darwin too. It rains in December and January and February. Darwin's wetter than Sydney, and it's wetter than Melbourne too. Darwin's the wettest capital in Australia.
Sekarang coba ucapkan sesudah Helen.
The wettest capital in Australia. Darwin's the wettest capital in Australia.
It isn't as wet as Jakarta.
I know something else about Darwin, Ewan. It's small. It's the smallest capital city in Australia.
Really? What about Hobart?
Darwin's smaller than Hobart. It's the smallest capital city in Australia.
And Sydney's the biggest capital city in Australia.
Hobart adalah ibu kota Tasmania, negara bagian yang paling kecil di Australia. Tetapi Hobart kira-kira 4 kali lebih besar daripada Darwin. Coba ucapkan sebuah contoh lagi sesudah Chris, bagian demi bagian.
The smallest capital in Australia. Darwin's the smallest capital in Australia.
Dan Tasmania adalah suatu pulau. Dalam bahasa Inggris,
Island. An island. Tasmania's an island.
There are a lot of islands in Indonesia. Sumatra, Kalimantan, Java, Bali, Sulawesi, and so on. Kalimantan is the biggest island in Indonesia.
What about Java?
No, Kalimantan is bigger than Java.
Australia's an island too. It's the biggest island in the world.
Kalimantan is the biggest island in Indonesia.
And Australia's the biggest island in the world.
dan sekarang Iwan akan mengatakan bahwa Indonesia mempunyai penduduk yang lebih banyak daripada Australia.
Indonesia has a larger population than Australia.
Sebenarnya, Indonesia merupakan bangsa yang terbesar di Asia Tenggara.
Indonesia is the biggest nation in Southeast Asia.
Saudara pendengar, mari kita berlatih lagi. Pertama-tama tentang Darwin. Iwan akan bertanya, misalnya,
Is Darwin hot?
dan saudara hendaknya menjawab,
Yes, it's the hottest capital in Australia.
jangan lupa mengucapkan kata the. Helen akan memberikan jawaban yang betul. Ulangilah jawaban itu. Siap, saudara-saudara?
Is Darwin wet?
Yes, it's the wettest capital in Australia.
Is Darwin sunny?
Yes, it's the sunniest capital in Australia.
Is Darwin small?
Yes, it's the smallest capital in Australia.
Is Darwin hot?
Yes, it's the hottest capital in Australia.
Sekarang, Iwan akan bertanya tentang Sydney.
Is Sydney a big city?
Yes, it's the biggest city in Australia.
Baiklah. Kali ini, Helen akan bertanya tentang Kalimantan.
Is Kalimantan a big island?
Yes, it's the biggest island in Indonesia.
Indonesia mempunyai banyak sekali pulau, bukan? Di Australia, kebanyakan orang tinggal di salah satu dari dua pulau, yaitu daratan Australia dan Pulau Tasmania.
There are a lot of islands in Indonesia. We've got one big island, Tasmania. It's a nice place.
Is it cold?
Well, it's colder than Sydney.
Saudara pendengar, tadi kami berbicara tentang ibu kota. Di Australia, setiap negara bagian mempunyai ibu kota. Misalnya, Adelaide adalah ibu kota negara bagian South Australia. Seperti